What if I told you that smart contracts could execute themselves without a lawyer, banker, or middleman? Sounds futuristic, right? Well, welcome to the world of smart contracts. In this video, I will break down what smart contracts are, how they work, and why they are shaping the future of the internet. Stay tuned. What is a smart contract? A smart contract is a self-executing agreement written in code, stored on the blockchain, and automatically triggered when conditions are met. No one can alter it once deployed. Think of it like a vending machine. You insert money, select your item, and boom, you get what you paid for. No cashier, no waiting. That's exactly how smart contract works. Let's look at step by steps of how smart contracts work. Let's break down how smart contracts work in three simple steps. Step 1. Coding the agreement. A developer writes the contract in programming languages like Solidity when it's on Ethereum network, or Rust when it's on Solana network. It defines rules like if A happens, then B will execute. Step 2. Deploying on the blockchain. Once uploaded to a blockchain, it becomes immutable, meaning it can't be changed or tampered with. Step 3. Automatic execution. When the smart contract conditions are met, the smart contract automatically executes the agreement, eliminating the need for trust. Real world application of smart contracts. Smart contracts are already transforming industries. Here is how they are being used. DeFi, known as decentralized finance. People borrow, lend, and trade assets without banks. NFTs and gaming. Players own their in-game items permanently. Supply chain. Companies track goods from manufacturer to consumer transparently. Insurance and legal. Automatic payouts based on preset rules. Imagine a future where buying a house, getting a loan, or even signing a job contract happens instantly and securely with smart contracts. On this page, the aspect of smart contract we will be focusing on is in the area of business, specifically network marketing. Smart contracts in this regard can be described as automated network marketing business model built on the blockchain network. 100% decentralized, no admin interference, no owner, power belongs to the community. Earnings are instant and direct to your personal crypto wallet. Example is Rain BNB. Check out my video on how to make 6 to 7 figures monthly with Rain BNB smart contracts. Pros and cons of smart contracts. Smart contracts are powerful, but like everything else, they have pros and cons. Pros: no middlemen, meaning lower cost. 100% transparency, meaning there is no fraud. Fully automated, meaning there is no human errors. And the cons: code vulnerability, meaning bugs can be exploited. No undo button, meaning once deployed, it can't be changed. Requires technical knowledge, meaning Writing smart contract isn't for beginners. That's why security audits and careful coding are critical. Smart contracts are revolutionizing the internet, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. And this is just the beginning. What do you think? Will smart contracts change the world? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a Web3 update. This is Aquatech Web3 Solution, your number one guide to Web3 success. See you in the next one.